Okay guys, I am beyond behind on this. So I got two scooters here. They are by Globber. One is a Flow, and that's the child scooter. And the other one is the 1NL 205 Deluxe, and that's an adult scooter. I'm going to unbox them right now. So let's take a look. Okay, Luke, so let's open that one first. That's the child scooter. Can you get the box open? That's for ages 6 and up. And what is the pounds on that? 100 kilograms, 220 pounds on that. That's a big child. Okay, and this is again the Flow 125. All right.
Mama, there's something here. Here's a sticker. The rest of this sticker. I have to get the rest of these stickers off. These stickers are so hard.
All right, let's see. We've got the box open finally. You're out of my field. You're getting away from my field of view.
Okay, let me take this.
Okay, careful. Put it down easily so you don't scratch it all up.
Oh man!
I don't think it takes much assembly.
No, it's not heavy.
No, I mean the assembly. I just heard some like tools or some hardware. So there's that. Is there a lot of hardware in there? No, not too much, right? Is that it? That's all? Wow, that doesn't look too bad at all. All right, so what do we have to do? Probably just hook that up to that, right? Let me see the instruction booklet.
I'll pause the video. Daddy? What? Come over here. We got it. Can you help us build it?
Daddy has to wash up.
But Daddy, it's quick, Daddy.
I know, but he has to wash.
We need to take this off. No, Daddy.
I know, but he's got to wash up. He's been doing garbage.
Tell him to take this off. Okay.
Wants me to loosen it up first, just in case.
What ages is this for? Is it age?
It's an adult.
It holds 220 pounds, right?
Yes.
So,
We're all safe.
I'll just see if we can. I'll just see if. No.
Okay, so what are you putting together on that?
I'm putting the handlebars. I just want it to be straight. Let me just get it pretty straight here. Let me get it on a little bit tight here.
But there's not much assembly, right?
Nope, not at all. Just put this on. And take this.
Allen wrench comes with it.
Yeah, Allen wrench comes with it.
I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel.
It feels pretty good. I'm gonna put it on where it's where I can turn it a little bit here.
You're gonna put this on mine.
It's gotta be perfectly straight.
And mine. Yeah, I can put them on both.
Yeah, both. So I'm gonna go to my videos and watch it.
Now it's starting to get tight. And I'm gonna make sure it's perfectly straight, and I'm gonna crank it. Still too loose here.
Luke, why don't you read some of the stuff on the back of the box about the scooter? Look, what does it say?
It says. It says one thing. It says. One thing it says. That's what I said. I said one thing says robust decision.
Look kind of straight, huh?
Triple text.
I think this is it. This is probably the brake right here. Yeah, this is the brake.
Triple deck structure, aluminum supporter, and BI engine. I don't know what that word is. Injection. BI injection. Composite deck with EVA soft foam grip tape for maximum strength and durability. That's what I just read.
Here, bring the box here. I'll look at it. me see what it says. Okay, so this scooter, oops, put it down. This scooter says it has a robust design,
Tight, hang on.
Comfortable ride, premium design, ergonomic style, adaptable for kids, 4 height adjustments.
I know.
Oh, so it has 4 height adjustments. It's user-friendly, easy to use clamp to adjust the T-bar height, top quality components, search ready,
How do you use the brake?
long composite
Hang on,
front,
let's look at this thing first.
safety at its
I'll show you.
best, first class wheels, mud guard
show you.
helps to keep your child and scooter clean.
Straight, so it's still straight. Here's the way you adjust the handlebar. Like
So
how
we
high
have
do you want
wide
it.
and curved
See how you look.
handlebars and
See?
large,
Yeah. Well, you see how?
yeah,
Yeah,
Show.
you adjust the handlebar.
comfortable,
Like,
adaptive. So there's height adjustments on there, so it grows with your child, and it's easy to
What happened
adjust. 4 different height adjustments. Now, how should it be for Luke?
I don't know.
But how do you use the
Luke,
brake while
stand
you're
on that.
riding?
Luke, stand on it.
How do you get it? Oh yeah, it goes like this. Here we go. You go up higher like this. You know? And
Let's
then
see.
how high? Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Is that too high?
That's good.
Okay.
But how do you use the brake while you're riding?
I'll show you. Right behind you. See it? Just
But
push
how
on
do you
nice and
use it?
easy.
Like this?
Yeah. Like you know where it is, right? So you like this. Let me see. If I
So
was
when
on it,
you're-
I would be like this right here. I would go with this foot hand like that, right? I'm sure, right? And then I would put here, but then when I want to stop, I just reach back here and push it.
Oh,
But don't go down the hill like this.
no.
Okay?
I'm gonna go up here. Oh, can I open that one or Daddy?
Yeah, yeah.
Oops.
Let Luke, here, go ahead, Luke.
Let Daddy open.
Yeah, Luke, you open it. You might be able to build it.
Can I ride this quick? Let me
Yeah.
ride it once.
Go ahead, real quick.
Daddy, you can take stuff out here.
You got this, honey?
So, is that all set up?
Mm,
So there's not a
probably
lot of.
snaps right in.
I can't see it though.
You
Hold
can't?
on, hold on a minute. Wait a minute.
That's this guy right here.
So it just that's how it comes out of the box. So it doesn't look like these scooters have a lot of assembly to be done. All right, let's see what happens here.
Oh,
On this.
it's already built.
It says lift up the handlebar.
Let me see.
Luke, I can't see Luke.
Can you see? Can you see me? All right. This one says. It even actually has it put on the box like I just did it. All right. It says 2. Picked up the handlebars. That's gonna go this way, right?
It says lift or something.
I don't know. Let me see. If I should put the thing here that let me see which. Maybe it wants us to put these on. No, here.
I think you have to take this
Let's
off.
put this on here. Have to take this. So I see it's like a thing right here, like a lock. See? It locks in there.
Oh, for travel.
You see it?
Yeah, I see for travel.
And this thing right here has to probably go up and in. See how that would go. Well, this slides it. I think you slide it out with your hand. Yeah, I don't know, maybe. Let me make sure. I wonder if I could do that. What if that does that too? I see something here. Yeah, it does. Yeah, this see it moves that right there?
What? Let me see.
That. Now it's locked in.
Oh, yeah.
Now this is going to have to go here. And there's
Let me put this one.
go ahead. Just watch. So make sure it's not turning around. So let me see something for a minute. Something sticking out of there? Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, go see that. See that? Look over here. See that hole right there? That's where it's going to have to go in. Push it in. This thing's really sturdy. It's pretty thick right here. Push it in, turn it. No, turn it the other way. Right? No, the other way. Then the other way. This way. Yeah, see it? Push it in more. Pull it out. Pull it out. Twist and pull it out. There we go. See that? Now let me see what else has to happen here. This doesn't have to be adjusted or anything. Let me look. And you gotta lock a couple things in place. That goes there. That clicked in. This right here. How would that be? Oh, this you do this to adjust the height right here. And let's see, all you gotta do anyway, lock it in there. That's as low as it goes. And if you want to, you can make it go higher with it right here. So you lock that back.
That's, you mean, that's as low as it goes or high as it goes?
That's as low as it goes.
Okay.
That's 2 more settings to go higher. And then,
is that a bell
lock.
on there? Is that a bell? That black thing?
bell. Yeah. There's,
What is it for? Oh yeah.
in case somebody's in the way, like you want to say, hey,
Oh, I have one.
that's your little kid.
Oh,
Hang on, let me
I
see
don't
something
like
for a minute.
You should put one on mine.
There's a button down here, it says.
Is it all together now, or do you have to
I
do
think.
something else?
Oh, maybe right here. Oh, I did that, right? That's this right here. Yeah, it's locked in. And this lock, I already did that. Okay, it's ready to go.
All right, let's go down to the street now. What's the matter, Jimmy?
Huh?
What's the matter? Look like something. Your brake's not hooked up?
No, I just want to look. Everything's good. I'm catching up the loop. I'll be right back, honey. Keep going. We're going. Look, we can just roll right down there. Loop. Yeah, the big one is, then you put the brake on back here on the big one too. It's back here, see? The big one's nice and smooth.
I thought you have a handbrake too, don't you? Oh,
I don't know what the handbrake
try that
is.
again.
Yet. I gotta figure that one out.
I just don't like the
You
vibe.
wanna try it, honey?
what? No, not right now.
Fine. You can.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth.
I thought
The
I
brake's
did a
like right here
camera
again too.
I'm gonna put it on here.
I gotta look and see what that is. I don't know what it is. Now you can get going and it'll keep on going. And then I'll put on the brake. They're pretty cool.
It's going up in the air.
I know, because you stepped behind it. You had your weight too far in the back. You got to put your weight all the way in the front, like your foot. Foot goes all the way up in front of the front, as far as it can. You know? Yeah, that's pretty good, honey.
I'm about to hit the brake. Ready?
Okay, so the handlebars are nice and soft. This is like something that would be a commuter, it seems like to me, nice and smooth. And then, when you go, this brake is just to keep it slow, but here's the brake mostly right there. And there's an extra brake for the back. Just pull this thing up, take this thing right here, and lock it right on here. And then it says just to carry it. And just pull it along.
Very nice.
It's nice and light too, but it's very sturdy. And put the, and the handlebars are comfortable. So if you want to get going,
So
you just
Globber, you can check them over.
take
I'll
it,
put a
go.
link and take care.
They're that
Let us
easy
know
to
what
go.
you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.